Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes and this week's purchases. I think I'm going to title this video, This Week's Purchases When Online Purchases Go Wrong. So first up, I'm going to describe this jacket to you. This jacket I purchased from Stitch Fix. It's from Sanctuary. I don't remember the exact price. It was well over $100. It's going back. So you're going to say, well, Carolyn, why did you purchase it if you're going to return it? So I have a Sanctuary bomber jacket that's quilted in this black satin color, and it's like dressy, it's like silky and dressy. And I wanted something to pair with my satin joggers that would look dressy and silky. Well, I get this and I open the package and listen to the fabric. All right, it said it was 100% polyester, so I was thinking polyester satin, but this is more like a windbreaker with quilting, you know? So this, I feel like I'm a big stuffed marshmallow in this jacket. So this is going back. This is not what I had intended. I did intend to wear it with this outfit, but obviously it's not working out. I think what I'm gonna do is that they have an off-white moto jacket by Sanctuary. I'm gonna try that instead, order that and return this. All right, so what's next? I saw this Brandy. Ever watch White House Black Market? Every Friday they have Facebook Lives where Brandy is the model, and she also speaks quite eloquently and is a great saleswoman about the outfits that she's trying on at White House Black Market. And she tried on this blouse, and I thought, wow, what a unique color. Really, really different, this iridescent blue. So I went into the store and I looked at it, because a lot of times when you see this kind of material, you're going to think scratchy and itchy and stiff, but it's not. This is very soft, no itch, no scratch. It is polyester, but it's just a well done polyester. It does have the high neck, but as you can see, it's quite loose around my neck. And you have to kind of be an octopus because it's got some two tight little buttons here in the back. So hopefully you have somebody that can help you. I was able to get them on, not too difficult, but I do tell you that they're a little bit challenging. And I paired it with, like I said, my ivory satin pants and my silver slides, which hopefully you can see in here. And this is kind of what I had in mind to wear on one night on my cruise. Not necessarily a formal night, just a regular night on the cruise. It's dressy, but it's casual. I don't think I would be overdressed in this. The top is $89. However, I got a reward, and that reward did not sit in my inbox for a hot minute before I went to order this blouse. The armpits are good for me, and I ordered this in a size 2, which is typically my size. A lot of times, especially in tops like this, if I get the too petite, it kind of gives me that shelf here on my chest, and it ends up being too tight. So I went with the regular 2. I do know that Brandy sized down, and I was hemming and hawing, do I size down in this or not? I think I made the right choice and did not size down. I think if I sized down, it would have been, again, too tight across this part of my chest. So the top is a keeper, and that jacket is going back. It's a nice jacket, nothing wrong with it. It's actually going to be quite a warm, good fall jacket if you need like a full outerwear piece, but that's not what I was looking for. I was looking for something to put over this when I'm in an air-conditioned restaurant. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you one other item that I purchased, or actually a couple other items. Give me a minute. Okay, the next 2 things I purchased are these 2 little bags. One is just what we call, in the olden days, a fanny pack. And I will wear this as a fanny pack. I specifically bought this for the cruise and was going to use during the daytime on the cruise to put my phone in. I don't plan on getting the Wi-Fi package, but I do want to use my phone to take pictures. And I obviously need something to carry around my room key, so I decided to get a fanny pack. This was pretty cheap, I think under $15, and again, Amazon, I got it on Prime Day. It's nylon, so it does have that windbreaker type of style, which is fine with me, because I'd be like wearing it by the pool and things like that. So again, it was under 15, good enough for me. I'll probably wear it for the cruise and maybe other vacations, but that's it. Like, that's not something I typically wear. It's kind of more like a vacation thing. The next is I got another evening bag. So I had one in silver, but I also got a black and brown dress, and silver would not go with black and brown. Gold or black went, and I thought only go with black. So this is a Jessa McKintock. It has the zipper here. It's kind of unusual. It's zippered across this way, but then you hold it this way. And this was also on Amazon Prime Day sale, and it was like $23, I think. I'll put all the links below, but no guarantee the prices will be the same. You guys know how Amazon works. Those prices change by the minute. But this is a cute bag, and yeah, it will get me through the evenings on my cruise. All right, up next, also from Stitch Fix, as most of you know, I've been looking for a burgundy third layer, and I came across this one from Cut from the Cloth. I'll come a little closer. You see this is a really deep, dark burgundy, almost black. It came brand new with me with the button cover still on. I unbuttoned it. It would fit fine if I were to button it. I haven't taken the button covers yet off. I think I'm gonna keep this because I do like it. It does fit well. It has some stretch. One thing I want to point out, I was going to roll up the sleeves, but the inside is black, so that would look kind of funny to roll up the sleeves on this one. I originally planned to wear this with this shirt from White House Black Market. Like I said, I was looking for a burgundy third layer, but it really doesn't go with this shirt. This is more of like a deep red than a burgundy, so no to this. It will go with the one that I'm wearing with because it has a little burgundy in it, and so it's not so noticeable. And then I took out this blouse, and even though this blouse is purple, I think with the burgundy, it actually kind of brings it together, and it doesn't look like, oh my God, that's purple and that's burgundy. It looks, to me, it looks nice. You really can't tell that much. And I think wearing this with a pair of black pants, the burgundy will break it up versus all black. And yeah, I'm gonna keep this jacket. That white puffer thing is going back. It's a great fall jacket if you're looking for a white outdoor fall jacket, but it was not what I had intended. All right, well, thank you for sticking with me. I appreciate your support. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'm free. I do shopping hauls, try-ons, outfit a day. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell so you get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.